In this video, we will see how you can install Splunk Enterprise on a Windows PC. So I'm going to show you on a Windows 10 PC. The first step will be to download the Splunk Enterprise setup. You need to go to splunk.com and here you need to go to products menu and here click on the free trials and downloads link. Here you will see the different free trials and downloads available. So you have to click on this link, download free 60-day trial under Splunk Enterprise heading. And here you can choose to download the latest version of Splunk Enterprise, which in my case is 8.2.1 for the different operating systems. So today we are going to install it for Windows. So here is the windows.msi setup file. So you can click on the download now button to download it. In order to see this download link, you need to make sure you are logged into your Splunk account. And if you do not have a Splunk account, you can create one. So let me just quickly click on this button and download the Splunk Enterprise 8.2.1 setup file for Windows 10. So you can see our download has started and it will be downloaded in less than a minute. So now here I have this Splunk Enterprise setup file. So in order to start the setup, I will double click on this. So run. So you can see the Splunk Enterprise installer popped up. You need to check this box in order to accept the license agreement. You can view the license agreement by clicking on this button. And here I'm keeping the default installation options. You can also customize the options such as the installation location and some other things. So I will click on the next button. And here you need to enter the credentials for the administrator account. Using these credentials only you will be able to log into Splunk. So let me create an administrator account by providing the username as an admin and a simple password. And once it's done, I will click on the next button. And here it's asking you whether you want to create a start menu shortcut for Splunk or not. So I'll keep it checked and will click on the install button. So now the progress will begin and it will install Splunk on your machine. So you can see the setup is complete. It says Splunk Enterprise was successfully installed and you can keep this option checked if you want to launch the Splunk Enterprise with a web browser. So I will keep it checked and will click on the finish button. So as you can see, it started the Splunk Enterprise server and we have the login screen in front of us. So as this is the first time sign in, here you have to provide the login credentials that we just set up during the installation. So I will type admin here. And here the password, and here also you can see it is saying the username is admin. That's what we set up during the installation, and the password it will not show definitely, but it says the password you created when you install this instance. So here I will click on the sign in button. So that's it. We have successfully installed the Splunk Enterprise version 8.2.1 on our Windows 10 PC. Similarly, you can also install on Windows servers as well.